In this video, I'm going to talk about writing effective marketing copy with Gen AI tools. Now, we know very clear the intent or interest. We know few copywriting models, but now if I give you an task on writing effective marketing copies with Gen AI, then how you are going to do? Okay, you have to be very clear. Okay, you start with the tools like Gen AI giving the right information about your product or services. I will show you something like very clear. Okay, now we'll give them the my buyer persona or even also. Okay, let's start act as marketing content and copy writer. Just going to give them the some sort of information about my product. I sell wireless mouse. Okay, no. I sell luxury watches. Okay, my age group is above 35 years. Location is USA, and I am planning to launch my ads to promote my watches. If you see, I have given them the product details. I sell luxury watches, my age group is this, my location is this, and I'm planning to launch my ads to promote my watches. I'm just giving this command, and totally if you see, this is going to generate ad concept for me. Okay, so the highlight the heritage and craftsmanship. Okay, the timeless elegance, masterpiece, masterfully crafted. If you see, the content is totally changed here. Okay, now I will show you another copy. Okay, let me show it. If you see, the ad copies are totally different, like appeal for aspirational lifestyle. It is more keeping it to get more luxurious feeling. Okay, I am just giving them the another command. My age group is less. Okay, now my age group is a different. If you see, this is totally a different. Okay, the copy is totally different. We have to be very accurate on few things, like what we are planning to do here. Okay, now let's talk more. Now write an article on topic top 10 luxury watches. Okay, now if you see, I have just given the command on writing this top 10 articles on watches, and this is totally going to give me a structured way. Okay, and first thing I created an ad copy, then I write in a blog here, very articulated blog. Now generate an idea for lead magnet to get more signups on website. So if you see, it is also going to give me some sort of lead magnet that I will use on my website as a lead magnet. So the art of buying a luxurious watch exclusive guide. So it created a guide for me. Even I can use the chat GPT to create a guide for me. Okay, let me show you to you. Now write a guide for me on watches. Keep it for 5,000 words. Now ChatGPT is going to give me the guide for me. Okay, the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, and this I can use tools like Canva or other tools where this whole content I am going to convert into a PDF format that I will use as a marketing materials to send or customers who sign up for our this guide. So if you see, the chat gpt can help you, the tools like Gemini AI help you to writing effective marketing copy. But to be very clear, you have to give the right information to these tools about your product or services, the age group, the buyer persona, every detail. If you give them perfectly, they are going to give you somehow close to 70-80% of the accurate result, where you can work on the 20% of side to make it finalized and make a perfect copy for it.